Hi, I am Gurjeet Singh. I am going to show you today the website which I have created. It is about the hospital website and it is the prototype of a official website of hospital management system which is apollohospitals.com. Let me show you the home page. Welcome. This is the homepage of the prototype website of Apollo Hospital. It is started with the big navbar which is used across all the 7 web pages I have designed in this. It has title, it has subtitle, and it has a horizontal line. Now the next sub line is containing hyperlinks. These links are the one which direct us to another web page. For example, when I click on patient cares and services, it will redirect me to the patient care page. And if I click back on home page, it will again redirect me to the home page. And in this home page, I have created a slideshow which is of 5 different images. They changes after 5 seconds and at last we have a footer in this home page that contains 3 different divs which contains information about the website only. Now let's move to the next page, that is patient care and services. In this page I have created 4 different divs. Each div is containing a different table and having a different data. Each data is designed as it looks in a different way, and there is also a note that is designed differently from the whole of the table. And this is about second web page. Now the third web page is also similar to that. See, this web page is containing the same table and rows, but this is embedded in such a way that it is looking similar to the background. This is because of a function called or attribute called padding. This padding allows us to embed some content inside the div only, which made it more nice. Now let's go to next web page. This is our specialist web page. This page is containing 3 different divs and 3 are designed in different ways. Each of them has a different margin, different padding and different colors. We can scroll down and see all of them are same. This is because of the property of the CSS called classes. They allow us to make every entities similar to each other. Now let's go to the career page. Yes, welcome to this particular page is designed by Bootstrap. You can see the horizontal line which was very dark in this web page is very light in this one. You can barely see it. This is because of Bootstrap. It has different amount of designing, and in this page we have seen that everything is aligned at center. This is because of divs and Bootstrap styles. There is one blank div which we cannot see. This is and other is not there, so that it can be aligned in center. Now let's go to the implementation part of website. Here we go on the login screen. Login screen is containing two different columns that are containing email address, and another is asking for password. Let's put a wrong email address and wrong password. Let's submit it. See, this is the beauty of the JavaScript. It tells us that you have not entered a valid password and you cannot go to the next web page due to invalid password. That's why we have to write correct email and correct password to go to another web page. So let's go to another one. Yes, it validates it. Now it's redirecting, and welcome. We are in the home page of our website again. Now last but not least, we have a sign up page as well. In this page we have again used the Bootstrap, and Bootstrap is very widely used language across the platform. Every single form website use Bootstrap, and this form we have a first name, then we have last name. These both are input text fields. Then we have a radio button which can be chooser either one. Then we have date of birth date picker. We can pick any date here. Then we have a selection. Then we have again email validation. Here if we enter a password which is not same to this password, it will, here we have a password which is not same to another password, then it will give us alert that password should not match with the confirmed password and does not allow us to move to next page. While when we put the same password and submit our details, we are redirected to our home page. So this was the website designing by languages. So this was the website designed by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and Bootstrap as well. Thank you for watching. Thanks.